idsMED, we are a medical supply chain company supplying medical equipment all through the hospitals, from emergency room, ICU, operating theater, all the way to the wards. Besides just selling medical equipment, we put a lot of emphasis in our biomedical engineering and also education. We do a lot of training for the doctors, nurses, and also the biomedical engineers in the hospital.
UOB supports idsMED from the perspective that we have a deep understanding of the healthcare industry and the whole supply chain. So when we look at the whole working capital cycle of the business, we take great pains to look at how we finance the account receivables, the account payables, to make sure that it's as seamless as possible to idsMED as well as the suppliers and vendors. When we look at the healthcare industry, it is a very capital-intensive business. Yeah. We are better able to help clients to manage their capital by looking at digital solutions where the virtual cash flows of the businesses can be seen at one place. And in doing so, we are better able to help them reduce inefficiencies where cash is trapped in certain geographies or business lines so that it's better and more efficiently allocated.
In our industry, customer tends to take a long time to pay us. That's why we have a UOB to help us in terms of the AR financing.
And this AR financing that Rufi was talking about is where we come in to help clients shorten the working capital exposure. So typically what happens is that you have a working capital duration that is mismatched, where your payables and your receivables are not matched in terms of time frames. So what we then offer is to help bridge that gap by helping them pay their suppliers first, but also taking some exposure in terms of how long their customers take to pay them. By doing so, we help reduce the working capital cycle for idsMED and allow them to redistribute their capital more efficiently to other businesses that require it more urgently.
Thanks to this financing solution from UOB, it helps us to grow quickly in the region. Today, we are having relationship in Singapore, in places like Vietnam,
and in places like Malaysia, where we are looking to help you as well.
Yep.
The solutions that we've designed for idsMED in Vietnam are equally applicable in Malaysia and other ASEAN countries where we have a footprint in.
We hope with this partnership, our relationship can become stronger and we can expand across the region together.